Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Heart Coding. Today I'll be introduce a modern and fully responsive NFT website that I've built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Whether you're an artist, collector, or investor, this website provides the perfect space to showcase and trade unique digital assets. Features. Overview. This NFT website comes with a sleek and intuitive design that ensures a seamless user experience. It features a dynamic homepage, an interactive gallery, and a well-organized marketplace layout. The design is fully responsive, making it accessible across all devices, desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Technology stack. I'll walk you through each step, from structuring the HTML to styling it with CSS and adding interactivity with JavaScript. Smooth animations, hover effects, and a user-friendly interface make this NFT website stand out. By the end of this video, you'll have a professional-looking NFT website that you can customize as needed. User experience and functionality. From smooth scrolling to eye-catching transitions, every element is designed to enhance the user experience. The NFT gallery allows users to explore digital collectibles with ease, and the responsive design ensures a flawless experience on any screen size. So, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. If you're excited about this project, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Also, don't forget to like and share this video to support the channel. You can check out the purchase link below. Let's dive in and explore its features.